Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, and I have an exciting video today because it is something I'm talking about that I didn't know existed until they reached out to me, and I always think that's fun. So if you want to hear about it, stick around, stay tuned. Also, welcome. If you're new, subscribe. Come on, you know you want to. And hit that notification bell, please, because then YouTube won't do weird things like not tell you when I post a video. All right? Cool. Thanks. Here we go. Today's video is about VineOh, which I also want to say VineOh, right? Because that's what we say. We say VineOh, but it's VineOh. So we love subscription boxes, right? Fashion, beauty, all of it. Well, this is wine and lifestyle / beauty, good stuff. Yes. So it's delivered 4 times a year. You get 2 bottles of wine and 5 to 6 full-size items of a variety of, like I said, like lifestyle / beauty, whatever. This is what your goodies come in that are like your beauty goodies. And then it all is shipped together. You need to be 21 to purchase this. You need to sign for it because it's alcohol. So you get, it's a big box like so, and they wrap the wine in cartons. So don't worry. And the wine you get, you can choose. You can choose if you want 2 reds, 2 whites. Do you want sweet wine? Do you want one of each? You know, and actually I opened, this bottle is Pinot Grigio. This is called New Crush California Pinot Grigio 2018. It has hints of creme fraiche in the finish. I am a Pinot Grigio girl. I love just crisp, light wines. Yeah, so I was super excited when I saw that this was in my box. Also, they sent me, this is the brand Speechless, and I have a Cabernet Sauvignon 2018 also. I love a red, that's Cabernet. I don't drink reds very often. Reds give me a headache. I guess that's a middle-aged thing. It used to be white wine gave me a headache in my 20s, and I only drank red wine. Now in my 40s, I'm only drinking white wine or rosé, prosecco, that kind of thing. I don't know. Anyway, I mean, I don't drink wine a lot. I'm not an evening drinker. I'm kind of a couple times a week drinker, special occasion, etc. So, but this is from California, like I said, and it is bottled by VineOh. So this is one of their labels, and it has, let's see here, aromas of toasted oak, jam, tea leaves that lead to flavors of rich dark fruits with firm tannins. I really want to bust this open with like a vegan bolognese, you know what I mean? Like something really kind of full-bodied. And there's also in here a Chardonnay they sent me, which 2018, Speechless is the label. Chardonnay, I'm not a Chardonnay girl. It's a little too oaky, which I know is its claim to fame. Although this does sound really, really nice. Aromas of apples, Meyer lemon zest, and pineapple with hints of honey, creme brulee, then a mid-palate texture of sweet cream butter with a finish of grapefruit and green apple. So each bottle averages from around $21 to $26. Now, I have a special offer they gave me to give you. If you sign up and you use code Frugalistablog, which includes 3 bottles of wine. So standard box, 2 bottles of wine, 5 to 6 full-size beauty items. But if you're going to use my code and sign up, you get 3 bottles of wine. You can decide what kind of, you know, subscription level you want. If you're going to just pay for one set to ship, I get it. It'll put you out $59. If you wanted to prepay and buy the whole year, then you get the value. And if you wanted to gift this to someone, what a great way for, you know, like a housewarming, a relative that's moved away, an aunt you don't get to see much, a fabulous birthday, for a girlfriend, etc. Right? So the first item in the box that was in here is the Swig Life Stemless Wine Cup. And it looks like this. The shade they sent is like this blushed rose. God, I love this. It's, it just screams me. And it has a reusable plastic straw. It has a sip lid. It holds hot or cold liquids. Let's do cold, right? And it's gonna be this. It holds 14 ounces. We're just gonna do like 5. That's good. Crisp. Just fresh. That's what I love about a Pinot Grigio. It's light. It drinks easy. I mean, now you know a little bit about me. So I think this is adorable. I might use it for coffee, tea, wine, margaritas. So these stemless wine cups retail for $32. There's other shade. It kind of comes with its own coaster. It's like a non-skid thing that I like that. So that's fun. Each item inside has an offer. If you go to the website of that product, you can get, there's some promotions for like 15% off. In fact, this one is 15% off if you want to go over to Swig Life and make a purchase. Okay, next we have these C.R. Gibson sticky note folio. Guys, are you into paper products like I am? Also, the color scheme, kind of digging it. Matches my nails, matches the cup. So I love this. I love sticky notes. I still use them. I know we are in an age of technology, but I know a ton of you are still in love with journals and paper products and stuff like that. So if you're like me, whether you like to use it or gift it, you know, love it. So it retails for $10. So they have an offer on their website. You can use the code from this box to get a 20% off discount from a separate order on the C.R. Gibson website. These are sunflowers. These are chocolate covered sunflowers. It is from the Sunflower Food Company, and it is dark chocolate covered sunflower seeds. And I guess, believe it or not, it is a great source of protein and vitamin B. So you can top these on your yogurt, you can put them on your sundaes, you can eat them on their own. So it comes with this little flip top. You get, oh, this is a 3-ounce tube. Looks a lot. These guys, oh no, they look a little funny, right? They are surprising. Like I'm thinking it's chocolatey, and you can tell there's a seed, you know, like has a sunflower seed taste, but it's so subtle. Oh, hi Phoebe, she's joining us. Hello. Girls time. You want some wine? Cheers, honey. Okay, don't knock anything over. You be a good girl. It's so good. You know, if you think, well, I don't like dark chocolate. The dark chocolate's very smooth. And I don't like sunflowers. Well, it's not very nutty or seedy. It's really good. They also make Famer's popcorn cob, tallgrass toffee. All right, I love it. Come on. And they have gift baskets and other things. So if you wanted to go to their website, from the box, that was clever, baby. Jesus. Okay. This retails for $4. So this just is $4. But what a great little set to, or, you know, in addition to something for yourself. Like, I'm going to put this in my car. This is going to be my car snack. I have car snacks, you guys. So many car snacks. Tickled pink clay charm bracelet. And this is cute. This is a tickled pink charm bracelet. Can you see it? Hang on. Okay, here we go. This is made out of clay and antiqued bronze. It is handmade. This charm says, I believe in love, I think is what it says. You get a variety of colors and charm phrases. So it's stretchy. It's really cute. It's clay. Okay. I think this is $8. Okay. I mean, I kind of dig these. They definitely have that boho vibe. You can stack them with other bracelets. They don't get in the way. They're really easy to wear. That's fun. If you have like a niece or someone. White birch linen spray. So linen spray, I kind of like a bougie linen spray myself. I think it's great to have to spray in your linen closet to kind of keep things sort of fresh instead of them smelling kind of like, I don't know, the linen closet. This one is cypress, eucalyptus, and pine. That is Christmas. That is Christmas. We are going to be spraying this on our fake tree. Yeah. Woo. You can spray in your hamper. You can spray while you're ironing any sheets or pillowcases. You can have it as a room spray if you want. It even says it's safe for body. It's made out of all organic ingredients, made in the USA, skin safe. It has aloe leaf juice, tea tree oil. So it smells really nice. It's gluten-free. It smells like when you go into one of those fancy gift shops, you know, one of those like home stores that has all the really pretty candles and pillows and table runners. That's what this smells like. It must be the pine. Maybe it's the cypress. I don't know. It's good. It retails for $16, and their website also has, Broken Top Candle Company is the website. They have roll-on perfume, soaps, soy candles, so you name it. Last item is the Daily Concepts headband. It's a headband. It's a little terry cloth, little cute headband, perfect for pulling your hair off your face, for washing your face, putting on your makeup, etc. You know, I mean, or you can wear it to work out at your aerobics class. Let's get physical. Why can't I can't put this on and make it look cute. So fun. They have, let's see, do they have other items? Daily Concepts has other bath products too. This is a very cute color, matches my eyeshadow. It's very comfy, very comfy. Everything that comes individually packaged inside this box, your wine. So you want to keep it, you want to gift it, it's up to you. But this is really great. It was fun for me to try. Well, you guys, I mean, right? Okay. So thank you so much, VineOh. Still wanted to say VineOh. Thank you so much for sending me this box. And yeah, if you want to go in with your girlfriends and treat another friend, mutual friend, everybody goes in on a annual subscription, right? Maybe they moved. Maybe they're having a baby. Oh, they can't drink wine. Well, after the baby. Maybe you have a teacher. Oh yeah. Maybe you want to buy it and auction it off for your school. I'm just full of ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and give me a thumbs up. That would be great. And I'll see you next time. Bye.